Hey, we know the world champions of football, cricket and chess. But do you know who the world champion of quizzing is? The International Quizzing Association in London hosts the World Quizzing Championship every year across 100 plus cities. This year, on Saturday, June 7, join a 2-hour solo quiz with 240 questions in 8 thrilling topics. Compete at 8 key venues inside Kerala, Kozhikode, Kochi, Kollam and Thiruvananthapuram. Outside Kerala, Faridabad, Coimbatore, Amaravati and Bengaluru. You know there is no age limit or qualification bar. Your global ranking and official certificate awaits you. Register now just for ₹200 before June 6. Let the next world quizzing champion rise from India, maybe even from you. Think smart, quiz hard, go global.